Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to install Teampass on an Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video you'll have it fully up and running.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
First we need to set up the LAMP stack. Use the following command to install the Apache web server. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Next, let's install MySQL using this command. Once inside the MySQL console, create a new database, set up a user and grant them all the necessary permission for the database. Now let's install and configure PHP. Use these commands to install PHP and its required extensions. Next, open the PHP.ini file and modify the configuration settings just like I did. After that, restart the Apache web server and navigate to the web directory root. We'll download the Teampass source code here, and don't forget to set the correct file permission using these commands. Now let's create an Apache virtualhost file. Pass the configuration block into the file and make sure to replace the server name with your domain name or IP address. Finally, enable the new site configuration. Now we can switch over to the browser to complete the setup. Fill in your database details, create an administrator account, and you are all set to start using Teampass. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.